My van has been on the sideline since February due to catalytic converter theft. It passed California smog today. I'll work on the video tomorrow and let you guys know what to do if your catalytic converter gets stolen, and hopefully keep the cost as low as possible. I hope that video will help a lot of people out so you don't make the same mistakes I did. So the plan, I will be in Gorman, Hungry Valley area on Saturday the 28th or 29th. I'll put captions here. I believe it's the 29th, but I'll arrive there on Friday night, actually. Friday early in the morning. My plan is to be up in Gorman. I'm gonna take off Friday night at around maybe 9 o'clock and arrive in Gorman around midnight. So if you guys want to do an impromptu van meet, let me know. I'll put the address right here around what area, and I'll put the dates. So hold fast. I changed my phones actually, so email me automotivevlog@gmail.com. Anyone could email me, give me your number if you guys are interested in doing an impromptu meet Roy. Message me on Instagram or Gmail. I forgot your number because, like I said, new phone. So if Roy, you could make it, or if you want to plan something, I'm going to be on the road for 4 days. So I'm calling out Chico and the van right now. This is peer pressure. You're thinking about a lifted van, you're thinking about lifting your van, it's on the wish list, you gotta lift your van. It's gonna change your life, that's a promise. You gotta do it. I promise you it'll change your life. And it'll be a little harder to get in your van too. So maybe if you could meet up with us in Hungry Valley, Gorman area, Gorman Pilot, Fraser Mountain, that would be cool. If not, maybe we could meet up on my way back. Hopefully I'll get to tow the Geo tracker out there. I'm gonna try to do a trial run this weekend and see if all my trailer wiring is good to go. Hopefully it is. If it's not, I'll at least bring my mini bike out there. Four-wheel adventure trails. You've been at Gorman a couple of times, it looks like, looking at your channel. Let me know what it's like up there, and if you happen to be up there, let me know. If anyone wants to do an impromptu meet, you guys are free to contact me. automotivevlog@gmail.com, or my Instagram is the same as my YouTube channel. So yeah, I only did one road trip this year, so I want to make up for all that lost time, man. So last road trip was in February. One big road trip this year in this van. We went to me and my girlfriend went to Slab City. So yeah, I want to get out to Hungry Valley, and hopefully I'll be able to bring my tracker out there. I'm going to test out all my trailer wiring this weekend, do a test run with my tracker if all my wiring's good, if all my turn signal lights, brake lights, brake systems work. So I got a week to sort it all out, but at minimum I'll bring my mini bike with me. So there it is, no more moving permit needed. This thing's official. So I'll make a video tomorrow on everything I needed to be able to register in California again. All right, hopefully I could meet up with a few of you guys, and yeah, I'll go on another road trip in at the end of the not end of this year, but beginning of next year. I want to go to Sedona. My girlfriend wants to check out Sedona. I might meet up with Van Man Cat, so shout out to Van Man Cat. He's up in Sedona right now. I hope your car issues are solved. I saw your video. I will leave comments today. But yeah, man, I hope your transmission's good, and I hope to see you early next year. All right, everyone. Man, I'm happy. I'm happy this thing is good to go again. I miss driving this thing.